Just Cutting Edge here, and today I'm going to be making a video that I thought I would never be making. Here, I have two cars. One is a McLaren 720S, and the other one's a BMW i8 Roadster. And today I'm going to be talking about the all-new California exhaust laws. They say if your exhaust is 96 decibels or higher, then you can end up with a $1,000 fine or have your car impounded. First, let's start with the 720S. So the factory installed exhaust doesn't and makes 75 decibels, even though the engine makes 710 horsepower. From a high-performance sports car, and well, that's good use on the road. And time to head to our i8 Roadster. This is where you charge the i8, which means the exhaust is even quieter, and there's only one exhaust outlet. And the law's code name is AB1824. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!